Good morning, my dear students and friends. This is Sudhir and welcome you all on today's class. And now we are moving towards the word problem of perimeters. Okay, so these questions are available on page number 155. जो questions है वो page number 155 पर available है. There are 5 questions and dear students, we have already learned about the measurement. So we have to use the concept of measurement here also. ठीक है, हमको measurement के concept को इस्तेमाल करना है. So first of all, let's move toward the question number E. And the question number E is, let's read out. Hariram has to put a fence around his rectangular field of length 15 meter and the breadth is 10 meters. Okay, what is the length of fence needed? If he has fenced 20 meter, how much more fence is needed to complete the boundary? Okay, let us suppose that there is a field. Okay, we have to imagine, that means what we have to imagine here, there is a Hariram and he has to put a fence around his rectangular field. Rectangular field का मतलब होता है एक rectangular जगह है. He has to fence. Fence का मतलब होता है बाउंड्री लगाना. ठीक है, बाउंड्री हम लोग हमारे घर पर लगाते हैं ज्यादातर using a wires. So he has to put a fence around the length of the rectangular field is given, that is a 15 meter, and breadth is given, that is 10 meter. So we have to find the total fence needed. Fence का मतलब होता है कितना पूरा कवर करने के लिए लगेगा. ठीक है, so we have to find what here, we have to find the length of total boundary. Yes, the length of the total boundary. That means we can say that a total length of closed boundary is equal to the fence needed. जितना बाउंड्री है उतना फेंस लगेगा. ठीक है, जितना उसको उतना कवर करना पड़ेगा, बाउंड्री लगाना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, he has to fence 20 meter. He has fenced 20 meter. That means 20 meter already फेंस किया जा चुका है. That means उसको 20 मीटर तक के बाउंड्री को कवर किया जा चुका है. How much more fence is needed to complete the boundary? और अब बाउंड्री को कंप्लीट करने के लिए कितना फेंस और चाहिए. ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वी हैव टू राइट द गिवन डेटा. व्हाट इज गिवन टू अस? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, अंडरस्टैंड there is a rectangular field. Okay, there is a rectangular field and the length of the field is given. What is that? Length is 15 meter. So that is 15 meter. That is the length of rectangular field, that is 15 meter. And dear students, if the rectangle is here, that means the opposite sides of a rectangle is same. So that is, if this length is 15 meter, so that is also 15 meter. Okay, then the breadth is given, that is 10 meter. Breadth means that is a 10 meter. This side is 10 meter. That is also 10 meter. Okay, so first of all we have to write what we have to write. The length of the boundary, sorry, the length of the field. The length of the field is equal to, what is that? 10 meter. That is the length, sorry, it is 15 meter, not width. Length is 15 meter and the breadth. Okay, what we have to write, or you can write wide. Okay, breadth of field is equal to 10 meter. Now we know that there is a rectangular field of length 15 meter and the breadth is 10 meter. And now we have to find what we have to find, the fencing. That means how much fence around, we have to find how much amount of fence is needed to cover the boundary. Fence करना मतलब cover करना होता है. ठीक है, so now we have to know how much length of fence is needed to cover the total boundary. So we have to find the perimeter. We can write here the fence needed. The fence needed is equal to, it is equal to the sum of all the sides. That means 15 meter plus 15 meter plus 10 meter plus 10 meter. We will add all the sides. We will get the total boundary of this closed figure. And then we understand how much fence is needed. जितना boundary उतना ही हमको wire लगेगा उसको cover करने के लिए. ठीक है, you can use a wire for fencing or you can use a sticks of wood using fence, stick of wood for the fencing. ठीक है, fencing का length हमको पता चल जाएगा. So now we know that there is a 15 times, 2 times 15 meter and 2 times 10 meter. So 15 plus 15 is 30. 30 plus 10 is 40 plus 1 is plus 10 is 50. Okay, so that is a 50 meter fence needed. Okay, कितना चाहिए हमको फेंस? How much fencing we needed? We need fence 50 meter. Okay, now again the one thing is given, and that is what? If he already fenced 20 meter, already fence किया जा चुका है, already 20 meter cover किया जा चुका है. So we will write here 20 meter, 20 meter of boundary is already fenced. Now how much amount of more fence is needed? और कितना चाहिए? Look here everyone dear, 20 meter is already fenced, 20 meter already cover किया जा चुका है, and the total length of boundary, that means the total fence needed is 50 meter. So already 20 हो चुका है and we need 50. So we will subtract the 20 from 50, then we will get how much more fence is needed. So here we will write, so what? So what we have to find? We have to find how much more fence. So more fenced is needed is equal to, okay, how much more fence is needed is equal to 50 meter minus 20 meter, and you will get a 30 meter. So here we will write Hariram is there? Yes, Hariram. Okay, no, don't write Hariram, write down directly answers. Okay, we have to write direct answers. Okay, we will write here 30 meter more fence is needed to complete the boundary. Okay, I hope you understand. Quickly note down in a maths notebook. It is very simple here. What is that? It is a rectangular field of 15 meter length and 10 meter breadth. ठीक है. Now what we have to do? We have to find the total fence needed. Total fencing का मतलब ये होता है उस फील्ड को, यानी कि उस जगह को बाउंड्री से क्लोज करना है. ठीक है. और हम लोगों को अगर बाउंड्री को क्लोज करना है, so how much fence will be needed? It is equal to the total boundary. जितनी बाउंड्री रहेगी उतना ही हमको उसको कवर करने के लिए वायर या फिर वुडन स्टिक्स लगेगी, है ना. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू फाइंड द total length of boundary, that means the total length of closed boundary, that is equal to the fence needed. ठीक है. So what I have done here, the fence needed is equal to the total length of the closed boundary. That means I will add all the sides and I will get the 50 meter. And this one thing is given, and what is that? The 20 meter is boundary is already fenced. मतलब 20 meter पहले से close किया हुआ है. So again, how much more fence is needed? So listen dear students, we need, that means Hariram need a 50 meter to close the total boundary, but the 20 meter is already fenced. So how much more is needed? We have to subtract the 20 from 50. Okay, total में से already जितना किया हुआ है we will subtract, and when you will subtract you will get the 30 meter, and that 30 meter is fence needed to complete the boundary. क्योंकि 20 मीटर से complete नहीं हुआ था, complete करने के लिए हमें 50 चाहिए था. So again what? 30 meter is fence needed to close the boundary. Okay, पूरा complete करने के लिए 30 meter लगेगा. So dear students, please note down in a maths notebook. I hope you understand. Okay, dear students, so now let's move towards the question number 2, and the question number 2 is very, very interesting. Okay, so let's read the question number 2, and the question number 2 is, Rihanna has to fix a lace around the carpet. So there is a one carpet and the length of the carpet is given, that is a 1 meter 50 centimeter. अरे भैया लेंथ है कारपेट की 1 मीटर 50 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, फिर उसके बाद में ब्रेथ है, ब्रेथ मतलब चौड़ाई, एंड दैट इज अ 50 सेंटीमीटर. Okay, so now what is the question here? Question is, Rihanna has to fix a lace around a carpet. She bought a 50-meter roll of lace. उसने 50 मीटर का एक रोल खरीद लिया है, ठीक है. How much lace will be needed for one carpet? So now we know that हम लोग जब भी लेस लगाते हैं तो कहाँ लगाते हैं? कहाँ लगाते हैं हम लोग लेस? Around the carpet. Around that means what? On the boundary. So if there is a one carpet and she want to fix a lace, L-A-C-E, है ना, वही है क्या? Yes, lace around the carpet, that means on the boundary. So how much lace will be needed? It is equal to the total length of closed boundary. जितनी total length होगी boundary की उतना ही lace हम लोगों को लगेगा. So what we have to find here? We have to find the perimeter of the carpet and the frame, and the lace needed is equal to the perimeter of that carpet. बराबर, जितना पेरीमीटर होगा उतना ही लेस हम लोगों को लगेगा. ओके, दैट मींस रिहाना को लगेगा. ओके, नाउ लेट्स मूव. हाउ मच लेस विल बी यूज्ड? हाउ मच लेस विल बी यूज्ड फॉर 5 सच कारपेट्स? लो भैया, और एक मुसीबत खड़ी हो गई. अब मान लो 5 कारपेट के लिए कितनी लेस लगेगी? उसके पास और 5 कारपेट्स, दैट मींस इंक्लूडिंग दिस वन, शी हैज टू फिक्स अ लेस अराउंड द 5 सच कारपेट्स. तो जो भी आंसर आएगा उसको 5 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, ठीक है. अगर एक को 10 मीटर लग रहा है, आई एम गिविंग जस्ट एग्जांपल, आंसर 10 ही आएगा, कोई भरोसा नहीं है. हाँ, अगर एक कारपेट को, इफ शी वांट टू फिक्स अ लेस अराउंड द वन कारपेट इज 10 मीटर, सो 5 बार 5 को कितना लगेगा? 50. yes, 10 plus 10 plus 10, 5 times. That means repeated addition, and that is a multiplication. Okay, that is a multiplication. So जो भी आंसर आएगा उसको हम लोग मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे 5 से. एंड देन हाउ मच लेस विल बी लेफ्ट ओवर? अच्छा, कुछ बचने वाला भी है, ठीक है. तो चलो सबसे पहले हम लोग एक काम करते हैं. लेट्स मेक अ कारपेट. एक कारपेट बनाते हैं, और ये कारपेट है भैया इधर. ओके, सो आई हैव द कारपेट टुवर्ड्स द राइट हैंड साइड. मैं राइट साइड में बनाता हूं. दैट इज अ 50. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इफ द विड्थ इज 50 सेंटीमीटर, अगर ये साइड 50 है तो ये भी 50 हो जाएगी. यस, इट इज ऑल्सो 50 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, इफ इट इज 1 मीटर एंड 50 सेंटीमीटर, then the opposite sides of a carpets are same. Opposite sides तो same है ना. So that is also a 1 meter 50 centimeter. So dear students, now we will understand what is the total length of that carpet. That means total length of closed boundary of this carpet. So now we know all the 4 sides. ठीक है, तो हम लोग यहाँ पे फटाफट से given data को लिख लेते हैं. First of all, we will write the length. First of all, I want to see it is visible in camera or not. दिखना भी चाहिए. Okay, it is visible in camera. Okay, it is visible in camera. थोड़ा सा नीचे लिखना पड़ेगा. Okay, the length of carpet. Okay, the length of carpet is what? Length of carpet is 1 meter 50 centimeter. Dear students, here we have to use the concept of measurement also. यहाँ पर measurement की भी concept आएगी, ठीक है, because we have to add all the sides of this carpet, then we will get the perimeter of that carpet. तो हम लोग को यहाँ पर addition of length करना है, and the unit is different, ठीक है. So always remember that if you want to get the answers in measurement, we have to convert all the units in one. Okay, that means we need only single unit. That means you have to convert this meters into the centimeters or centimeter into the meter, then we will get the total length. Okay, so first of all, let's write down the breadth. Breadth of carpet. Breadth of carpet is given, and that is a 50 centimeter. Now we have to find, dear students, what we have to find? We have to find the lace, how much lace is needed for one carpet. So one carpet को कितना lace लगेगा? It is equal to the perimeter. Okay, it is equal to the perimeter of that carpet. So we will write here, what we will write? Lace needed. Lace needed for one carpet. For one carpet is equal to what? Is equal to the total length of closed boundary. It is equal to the perimeter of that carpet. Carpet का जो perimeter है around वही is equal to less रहेगा. So we have to add all this all the sides of a carpet. Okay. तो अब इसके sides हमको पता है, that means length and width हम लोगों को पता है. So we will add. Dear student, listen carefully. I'm adding directly. Okay. बहुत simple question है ये. Okay. We know that 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. हमको पता है कि 100 सेंटीमीटर का मतलब 1 मीटर होता है. ठीक है. So first of all, add the meter. 1 meter plus 1 meter is equal to 2 meter. 2 meter हो गया. Now this 50 centimeter and this 50 centimeter, when you will add, you will get 100 centimeter. And we know that 100 centimeter is equal to the 1 meter. तो उसको मिला के 3 हो गए. 3. Okay. And now this 50 and this 50 centimeter, that means width वाली 50 is equal to 1 meter. वो भी और एक 1 meter बना लेगी. So that is a 4 meter. So the perimeter of this carpet is 4 meter. चाहो तो आप ऐसा लिख सकते हो. ठीक है. कैसे लिखेंगे हम लोग? You can write a 150 centimeter. I'm converting all the units in centimeter. 150 centimeter plus 150 centimeter. Okay, 1 meter 50 centimeter is equal to the 150 centimeter. दो बार लिख दिया. And then plus 50 centimeter plus 50 centimeter. So 150 plus 150 is equal to 300. 350. And now 50. When you will add this 50, you will get 400 centimeter. And that is equal to 400 centimeter. And dear students, we know that a 400 centimeter is equal to the 4 meter. That means what? For one carpet, okay, for one carpet 4 मीटर लेस इज नीडेड. एक कारपेट के लिए हम लोगों को 4 मीटर का लेस लगेगा. ओके. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट? हाउ मच लेस इज नीडेड? हाउ मच लेस इज नीडेड फॉर 5 such carpets? So we will write here lace needed. Lace needed for 5 carpets. For 5 carpets. ओके. अब एक कारपेट को 4 मीटर लग रहा है. सो 5 मीटर 5 कारपेट को कितना लगेगा? वी विल मल्टीप्लाई 5 विथ 4 मीटर. सो वी विल राइट हियर लेस फॉर one carpet multiply by 5, and that is equal to lace for one carpet is equal to 4 meter. So I'm replacing these words with 4 meter multiply by 5, and that is equal to 4 5s are what? Okay, 4 meter. 4 plus 4 5s are is 20. Okay, 4 5s are is 20 meter. So dear student, listen carefully. Okay, कितना हो गया हमारा? 20 मीटर. 5 कारपेट के लिए कितना लग गया? For 5 such a carpet, we need a 20 meter lace. Now dear students, she purchased, that means Rihanna has purchased a 50 meter roll. Okay, so here what we have to do? Rihanna, अरे गलत हो गया. Okay, don't write Rihanna, write down directly total length of lace. Total length of lace is what? 50 meter. Yes, total length of lace is 50 meter. And what? 20 lace used. Lace used. How much used in 5 carpets? For 5 carpets, how much lace is needed? 20 meter. Now we have to find how much lace is left over. So here we will write lace left over is equal to total minus used, that is 50 minus 20, and you will get 30 meter. So here we will write 30 meter lace is left over. Okay, and 20 meter is used in 5 carpets. Okay, देखो एक बार फिर से देखते हैं फटाफट से. What is given to us? क्या था हमारे पास? Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute dear. Okay. Now, dear student, listen carefully. What is written to what we have? We have a one carpet, and the length of the carpet is given, which is a 1 meter 50 centimeter, and the breadth is given. Breadth is what? 50 centimeter. ये वाला 50 centimeter. So, dear students, we have to find the length needed for one carpet. और हम लोगों को पता है कि कारपेट पे हम लोग जो लेस लगाते हैं, it is around the carpet. Okay. So first of all, we have to find the perimeter of carpet, and that will be equal to the lace needed for one carpet. So first of all, we will find the perimeter of that carpet. So when you will add, so when you 150 centimeter कहाँ से लाया? 1 meter and 50 centimeter is equal to the 150 centimeter. Okay, so I will write 150 plus 150 two times and 50 plus 50 two times. So we will get a 4 meter, that is equal to 400 centimeter, and 400 centimeter is a perimeter of that carpet. So we need, that means Rihanna need a 4 meter of lace, that is 400 centimeter of lace for one carpet. And again the question is extended. Question थोड़ा सा लंबा है और उसमें क्या लिखा हुआ है? We have to find the length for 5 carpet, that means lace needed for 5 carpet. 5 carpet के लिए कितना लगेगा? अब हमको पता है कि for one carpet we need a 4 meter of lace. So for 5 carpets we have to add 4 plus 4 plus 4 5 times. That means it is a repeated addition, that is called as the multiplication. So we will multiply the 4 meter by 5 here, and when you will multiply you will get a lace needed for 5 carpets, that is equal to 20 meters. Okay, now we know that Rihanna has purchased a 50 meter roll. उसके पास तो 50 मीटर का रोल था. Okay, and we have to find lace used in 5 carpets and how much lace is left over. कितना यूज हो गया और कितना बच गया. ठीक है. So here we will write lace used in 5 carpets is equal to 20 meter, but she has a 50 meter roll. So how much will be left over? So 50 minus 20. टोटल में से जितना यूज किए उसको माइनस कर देंगे. वी विल सबट्रैक्ट द 20 फ्रॉम 50. यू विल गेट 30 मीटर, एंड नाउ द 30 मीटर लेस इज लेफ्ट ओवर. 30 मीटर बच गया एंड 20 मीटर इज यूज्ड इन द 5 कारपेट्स. सो आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड. बाकी के 3 क्वेश्चंस यू हैव टू सॉल्व. आई एम सेंडिंग द पीडीएफ. हैव अ गुड डे एंड बाय बाय.